What's going on, everybody? It's Dakota here for another video, and in this one it's going to be super awesome because me and Matt are modifying both of our cars with some really cool stuff. And it's the first time in a while that we've been able to modify both our cars at the same time. It's awesome. So getting started on the Subaru. Sorry my room is dirty, but I got a massive front lip for the front of the car. Matt got one too. We're going to go throw and put on. He has those little bumper LED lights that are out. He's currently out there replacing them. I'm going to throw this out there. I have a lot more done to the Subaru. I'm super excited, but let's go ahead and throw this outside. I'm sure you remember in the last video we did the wrap on the spoiler and the hood. Went ahead and got these little tail light tints, and then I got the thing for the front cornering light, but I also did a muffler delete. I'll go ahead and show you a cold start right now. So on Matt's car, we are redoing these little bumper lights because the old one went out. And then also, like me, we got him a front lip too. His is carbon fiber, so it's going to look really good. I'm going to let him do that, and then we're going to go ahead and throw the front lip on my car. Okay, so we just put in his little lights. Go ahead and do it. Oh, hell yeah. Now that looks sick. Alright, well, when you live in an apartment in desperate times, call for desperate measures. Matt will be pulling up over here, but now that I have the lift from the speed bump, we're going to go ahead and throw my front lip on. Right, now my front lip is on. I'm so happy with how this came out. I'm really glad I got the extended one. It looks super good. Honestly, it's pretty easy, just self-tapping, and they gave you a ton, so I mean, this thing's pretty sturdy. So, really happy with this. We'll show you a little bit more later, but now we have Matt's car. We're going to do his splitter. Alright everybody, so now that we're parked, we have both of them on the cars. I love how the front end came out on this car. It looks so good. I'm sorry it's so dirty, but I mean, super aggressive looking. And then if we come over here to Matt's car, now that it's level, yeah, again, super aggressive looking. And now that he has his blinkers in the rear, his car looks really good. I'm happy that we have this on both our cars. Guys, it's me again. So I had to wait until Matt was gone for this next part, but so as you know, I'm right here behind with my STI and the new front lip and everything. Now I'm gonna surprise Matt. So I gave him that front lip and the little turn signal things on the bumper, but he had a really bad day, so I gave that to him early. Honestly, guys, so I wanted to surprise him completely doing everything on his car, but another few things got delayed, but they finally got here today. So we're actually gonna play a little prank on Matt to help surprise him a little bit more too. I got him a carbon fiber rear spoiler and the tail is turned thing for the Q50 that he's been wanting for a very long time. It is a pretty big amount of work to put him on the spoiler at least, so I'm not going to put it on for him. But what we are going to do, I'm going to put it out there on like his car, the little packaging, and we're going to say that somebody hit and ran from his car and see his reaction when he goes out and sees all the new parts there. So I'm really excited to see his reaction, so let's go do it. Guys, so I just snuck everything outside. I told Matt that I got a lamp from my mom to hide that box, but alright, here we are. Got him, this is a carbon fiber spoiler like he had on the silver one. He really missed this, so we're gonna have him put that on and show y'all soon. And then the tail is turned for the diode dynamics that he really wanted to get paired with the things I got him down there. And then this carbon fiber spoiler will go really well with that front lip he has now. So I'm gonna tell him in a second that somebody had sideswiped his car and drove off. Leave this here and see how he reacts when he runs up to it. Matt, hey, I need you to come outside real quick. I think somebody just sideswiped your car.
My car?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, is this? Is it really?
I'm assuming I scared you?
Yes. Fuck you, dude. Jesus Christ.
Alright everybody, that's where I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Super excited that we got to put stuff on both of our cars. That was a lot of fun, scaring Matt like that with his new parts. That's really cool. We'll put those on later and I'll show you guys. I have something very cool coming for the channel, you guys. I will make another video on it, but just know some big things are coming, a whole new adventure. Super excited, but again, thank you for watching. If you like, please go ahead and help us out with a like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.